In the world of databases, it's not just about storing information, it's about how you organize it. Two titans dominate this battlefield: SQL and NoSQL. Think of SQL as a perfectly arranged library. Every book has a fixed place on a shelf, neat rows, catalog numbers, everything in order. On the other side, NoSQL is like a giant flexible warehouse. You can stack, sort, and grab things however you want, without being tied to a rigid structure. Both are powerful, but they shine in different situations. The real question is, do you need the order of a library, or in SQL is the ultimate strict spreadsheet? Every row has to follow the exact same rules, no exceptions. If one row has 5 columns, every single row must have those 5 columns too. It's structured, predictable, and orderly. Perfect when you know exactly what kind of data you're dealing with and you want consistency. But here's the catch. SQL doesn't really like surprises. Try sneaking in something unexpected, and it'll raise an eyebrow, or throw an error. Now let's talk about NoSQL. If SQL is a strict spreadsheet, NoSQL is more like a big, messy, but super flexible notebook. One page might have just a name and phone number, while the next page could have a whole life story, pictures, and extra notes scribbled in the margins. There are no rigid rules about what every row should look like. You get freedom to store data in whatever shape or size makes sense. That makes NoSQL amazing when things are constantly changing, or when your data doesn't fit neatly into fixed columns. The trade-off? You lose some of that order and consistency you'd get from SQL's spreadsheet world. So when should you use them? Use SQL when your data is structured and consistency is critical, like for financial transactions. Use NoSQL when you have massive amounts of flexible data, like a social media feed. So it's not about which is better, it's about using the right tool for the job. For more tech concepts explained simply, follow CodeSpark.